Hey guys, we are back with another Crocs video. So these were the first ones for the first video that we did. These were the second ones that I redecorated and I just recently washed them because I wore them. These were the third ones from the third video. We have the fourth ones for the fourth video. And then this most recent video, we did these. So we are well on our way of decorating all of the Crocs. So far, I'm obsessed with these. Okay, so I'm really excited about working with these hot pink ones. You guys know is my favorite color. So I have a lot of hot pink gibbets. So I really want to try to utilize all of the spaces in the Crocs if I can. So let's get started. Okay, let's see if I can use all of these gibbets. That would be really nice. So I'm thinking the bigger ones on the corners. So we'll start with this one. And that one there. I love this one. Put her maybe here. And this here. I love working with pink. Put two of the poppies there just for some cohesion. I know a lot of times people wouldn't think of doubling up on their gibbets, but I like to do it, especially if I want some cohesion in my Crocs. So I have a lot of doubles of gibbets, which I don't mind because I feel like it looks nice. Let's get this out of the way. Let me see if I can put something else there. No, definitely don't like that there. Maybe here. We'll see. So I think I'm going to double up again, maybe putting it here. It's always good to find like smaller gibbets. That's what I love, especially if like you're going to fill up your Crocs. It's always good to find smaller gibbets in this area because there's less area to work with. So you always want to find like little circular gibbets that would work. And again, doubling up is a great idea, especially to make it look like it makes sense. You know what I mean? Like you had a set plan to decorate your Crocs. So far, I like that. I feel like I need a small one there too. Yes, I do. Nope, don't like that. That's too cluttered. Like this. Oh, that's pretty there. Okay. I don't know how I feel about these two yet. We'll see. We'll see for now. Let's put the hat next to the boxing glove. That's kind of cute. Maybe. Oh, I kind of like that. Okay. And I always like, preferably if you can, unless you have like a set idea for a gibbet in a particular spot. But I like working my way all the way to the top and working down just because it's easier. But sometimes, like I said, like I'll have a set plan, like maybe these and I put them in, but I might take them out later. So who knows? Let's see. Maybe the donut there. Oh, it fits. That's cute. I like that. And since we have a donut here, maybe putting a cake on this side. Even though I actually have 2 cakes and 2 donuts here, but we'll see. And then maybe this half of a best friend. My mom has the other half, which is so cute, but maybe putting that here in the corner. Okay, that actually kind of works with this, but we'll see. Then I feel like this is going to take up way too much space. Let's see. Maybe I'll hold off on that one. Flamingo. Let's try to work on this side a little bit. Maybe putting flamingo on the side like this. Flamingo's good because you can put it like straight on, or you can put it off to the side and it looks nice. Okay, I like where it's going. Maybe this, because I like the vertical going together. If it's not cluttered, let's see. I don't know. What about maybe here? It doesn't fit here because of this. Yeah, let's take this off just for a second to see if I want to do that. No, I don't even like that there anyway. What about here? That's not bad there, right? Let's try this here. It's kind of cute. Okay. I feel like since I have a flamingo on this side, maybe I can put one on this side. Maybe next to the flower, that's nice. I like that. Okay. Then, does this fit here? Let's see. Looking cluttered. I mean, no, I don't know how I like that. I don't know if I like that. Okay, let's see if I like that for now. And then, let me see. This to go with the flower, it actually matches color-wise. And the thing with cherries is you can put them sideways as well without them looking crazy. So I actually like the way that looks. And it goes perfect with the little sundae, so that's good. Good little cohesion there. Okay, let's see on this side. Like maybe if I move this one. Oh, but it's going to cover that. Let's see. See, that one doesn't cover it. So maybe putting this back. This might hang off. Actually, that looks cute. Actually, I like that. Okay. Now I'm missing something here and here. I actually like that, believe it or not. Okay. I like this. So this is perfect. Now I only need a little something there. What can I put there is the question. Maybe if I move this one, maybe, I don't know, because then I'm going to have a space here. But let's see. I do this, which actually works. Okay, let's see. And then I move this here. What do you guys think? I actually love it. And I was able to fill pretty much all of the spots with the exception of this one that took up 2 spots. But I'm kind of living. What do you guys think? This is what it looks like. Yeah, I love it. So this is the final product. And filling up all the holes in your Crocs is not for everyone. Sometimes I do it, sometimes I don't. You guys see in previous decoration videos of my Crocs that sometimes I leave spots that I feel would be too cluttered. But in this case, since it's all pink, I feel like it works. Let me know what you guys think, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.